Hi everyone, this is Fred from 4x4 Shop. Today I want to show you our Android screen that we're gonna install in a 2016 BMW X1. Car came with original backup camera. This is the original screen. It's 7-inch screen. It's not a touch screen. It controls by the iDrive of the car. So we're gonna add Android system with a bigger screen, obviously, and I get back to you right after the installation. Hi everyone, again I'm back, and we replaced the screen to 10.25 inch screen. As you can see, right now we are in aftermarket mode. It's fully controllable but by the iDrive of the car, and we can go back to the original iDrive without any problem. And again we can go back to the aftermarket mode, which looks like iDrive 6. It's fully touchscreen. I go to the nav. That's where we are located, in Markham, Ontario, and we can go to video. We can watch video while we drive. And also, if the car is equipped with backup camera, it retains factory features such as backup sensors and backup camera. I go back to drive.
Now we talk.
And we can browse internet. Just go to the browser. We can search whatever we want. The typing pad is right there, and also all the apps are here. You can download Google Maps, which is already downloaded there. You can do Waze. It's a lot of nice features. If you're interested to get these type of units, you can give us a call at 905-604-4294, or you can order them online at 4x4shop.ca. Thank you and have a great day.